Encountering the cellular network not available for voice calls error on your Boost mobile device, it means your phone can't connect to the network for voice calls, even if data is working. Boost Mobile uses networks from Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, and sometimes compatibility issues arise. This problem often stems from incorrect APN settings or issues with your SIM card or account. A key trend is that voice call errors have become more nuanced due to the increasing integration of VoLTE and 5G as devices struggle with seamless handoffs from LTE to 5G. Don't worry, it's usually fixable. First, we'll go through some basic troubleshooting steps to get you back up and running. Let's go through the quick fixes for the cellular network error on Boost Mobile. First, restart your phone. Hold the power button until the restart option appears, then select it. A simple restart often resolves temporary glitches affecting the network connection. Second, toggle airplane mode. Swipe down from the top of your screen, tap the airplane icon to turn it on for about 15 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your network connection and can fix connectivity issues. Third, check your SIM card. Power off your phone, locate the SIM card slot using the eject tool that came with your device, and gently remove the SIM card. Inspect it for damage, then reinsert it firmly. If damaged, contact Boost for a replacement. Fourth, verify your APN settings. On Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, then Access Point Names. Ensure it's set to Boost.mobile. On iOS, carrier settings update automatically, but check for updates in Settings, General, About. Fifth, reset network settings if needed. This will erase Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings. On Android, go to Settings, General Management, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. On iOS, navigate to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset, then Reset Network Settings. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the cellular network error, contact Boost Mobile customer support for personalized assistance.